so true. June 27, this day belongs to you. Sa bawat ngiti mo, gumagaan ang mundo. Today we celebrate the wonderful you. Mabait at maunawain, yan ang iyong puso. Lovable and caring, sa'yo ako sigurado. Sweet at fancy ka, with style that shines so bright. Kahit saan magpunta, you light up every night. Happy birthday, Etheline, my love, forevermore. Ikaw ang biyayang hinihiling ko noon pa man, for sure. Through every season, through laughter and tears, kasama kita, my love, through all the years. Kito lover ka at mahilig sa fine things in life. Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Prada, Hermes, my beautiful wife. Pero higit sa lahat, ang puso mong dalisay. That's the treasure I cherish each day of my life. Happy birthday, Etheline, my love, forevermore. Ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit masaya ang puso ko, for sure. Your kindness and love make every dream come true. Walang ibang hihilingin, my heart belongs to you. Salamat sa pagmamahal at pag-unawa mo. You've been my blessing wherever I go. Sa bawat pagsubok, maghahawak ang kamay. Together forever, side by side we'll stay. Happy birthday, Etheline Carpio, mahal kong tunay. Nawa'y pagpalain ka pa sa bawat araw ng buhay. More love, more joy, and dreams coming true. Forever and always, my heart belongs to you.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Mommy, I just want to thank you for all your hard work toward this family, and I want to thank you for guiding me throughout all my decisions in life, knowing what's wrong and what's right. And I just want to say I love you so much because you are my mother in every way, in every failure and every success. Thank you. I love you.
Happy 40th birthday sa pinakamaganda at pinaka-amazing kong mommy. Like, wow, magpo-40 na siya but still looks so good both with looks and heart. So first of all, I just wanna say na sobrang thankful po ako kay Lord na kay Papa Lord na ikaw po ang naging mommy ko. Dahil sa walang never-ending na pagmamahal at paggabay at pag-aalaga mo po sa aming lahat. Sa family and both sa friends kasi nakikita naman po namin yun. And second, as your special day, I'm very excited for you to be to receive this to celebrate this long weekend staycation sa Tagaytay with us as a whole family. And we know din na deserve po talaga po mag-relax, ma-pamper at mag-enjoy na sama-sama tayo as a whole family. Again po, salamat sa lahat ng sacrifices mo at sa pagiging number 1 best friend ko. Ang dami ko pong friends, best friend, pero as my mommy, ikaw po talaga ang aking best friend. So, again, we love you so very much. I love you so much po. Kahit sa matagas talaga po. Pero yun, happy 40th birthday, mommy. And cheers to more wonderful years ahead.
Happy birthday,
Inay! Love you, Inay!
Love you, Ed!
Happiest birthday!
Happy birthday!
Enjoy your day! Special day! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Love you!
Happy birthday, pork chop, char. Hindi ka na pala pork chop. Ano ka na? Pork na walang fat. Meat na. Hindi, joke lang na. Masabi ko lang is, welcome to the club. 40 years old na ikaw. So, yun lang. Same pa rin naman dapat. Wala naman magbabago dyan kung tutusin. It's just the age, but we still look young. And, we look young, pero, syempre, nagmamature na tayo. Yung mindset pa, di ba? So, ang masabi ko lang ulit, ano ba? Maingat ka parate, alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Kala mo hindi nakikita yun. Pero syempre, I'm not free all the time. So, you know how busy I am. So, hindi kita madalas na-update. Pero, honestly, pag nakikita tayo, walang yung isang araw para ikwento ko sa lahat ng nangyari sa buhay ko. Ikaw ang aking nag-iisang kapatid. So, tandaan mo kahit na ka-argue tayo or may mga hindi tayo napagkakasunduan, kaya yin-yang tayo eh. So, magkaiba yung ano natin, yung pananaw natin sa buhay, and yung alam mo na yung actually ang daming differences, pero hindi magbabago yung si ate mo. Like, ako is ako. So, dito lang naman ako parate. I'm just one block away pag nasa bahay, or pwede naman i-chat or text. Yun nga lang, sometimes hindi ko kayang i-attend dahil alam mo na ang buhay ng ate mo. Anyways, be maarte as you are. Hindi, joke lang. Kung ano yung na-enjoy mo sa buhay, just do it. And God loves you always. Happy birthday again. Welcome to the club. 40 na siya.
Happy 40th birthday, Tita Ethel! Here's to another chapter
aka decade.
unfolding in your life.
Thank you for being such an inspiration, for always being someone you can look up to.
Your bubbly personality
And kind character,
brings positivity
wherever you go, making any
room
room 100 times better.
May your special day shine as
brightly as you.
Happy birthday, tita. Enjoy nyo po yung day ng birthday nyo, and I wish you a good health and maging healthy po kayo ng family nyo lagi. Lalo na si Azzy, ingatan niyo po si Azzy, si Makoy po yun. Tsaka, ayun po tita, enjoy your day lang and pakain po kayo. Happy birthday tita.
Oy, tita. Balito ka po birthday niyo po, tita. So, happy birthday po, tita. Coming from the bottom of my heart, tita. Correct pala yun. Happy birthday, tita. And wishing you good health, maraming blessings, more foods to come, more blessings. At tita, grabe. Napakaswerte po ni Azaya po, tita. Kasi tita, na bakit? Kasi meron siyang isang mabuting, mabait, mapagmahal, maganda na nanay. Grabe siya. Napakaswerte niya po, tita. Kahit ako, tita, napaka-grateful ko po sa'yo, tita. Tita. At tita, I hope na may enjoy niyo yung day po ngayon dahil napaka-special po, tita. Kasi birthday niyo po eh. Tita. Happy birthday pa, tita.
Hi, Tita! Happy birthday po sa inyo. And my wish for you ngayong birthday niyo po is of course, syempre good health po sa inyo and of course your family. More blessings to come pa po sa inyo and happiness of course. And I also wish you success po in everything na gagawin niyo pa po. And yun po, sana ma-enjoy niyo po yung araw niyo po today. If ngayon po yung birthday niyo na papanood niyo po ngayon to. And ayun po, also I want to thank po, thank you. Thank you po for always welcoming us po dyan sa house niyo and thank you for giving us Azaya. Kinamigay si us. Pero ayun po, tita, happy birthday. See you soon po and hoping na makapunta po kami dyan ulit sa inyo and ayun po, kain po ulit kami dyan. Decision siya. Pero, ang OA ko talaga. Pero yun, hindi ko na ito ulitin. Basta happy birthday, tita. Enjoy po kayo lagi and more blessings to come po. And ayun po, tita, see you soon po. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, tita! Wishing you a very good health and a good birthday. Of course, more birthdays to come. We thank you for pag-aalaga sa aming Azaya. And sana po maka-meet ko na kayo and maka-bond in the future kasi hindi pa tayo nakikita, tita. That's all! Enjoy your day! Bye!
One, two, three, go. Happy birthday, Miss Ellen! God bless you.
Hi, Ethelene Carpio Natividad. O, di ba kompletong pangalan? Ethelene, I just want to wish you a happy birthday. This is Coach Jay of Keto Baking with Coach Jay. At nalaman ko nga na sorpresa ka at binigyan ka ng iyong loved one ng ating 2 low-carb baking books na galing sa amin, published in the Philippines, and these are the first published in the Philippines. And I'm so happy to see you na masaya ka na natanggap mo yung aking mga low-carb baking books. Ayun, isang senyales lang yan that you really want to live a healthier life, a healthier lifestyle. So I hope that you get to bake yung ating mga low-carb baking recipes sa ating 2 books. Marami-rami din yan na gagawin mo bilang project mo. And of course, para mapaganda rin at mapabuti ang health natin. And I'm really so happy and grateful na rin. No, maraming salamat sa pag-avail ng ating mga baking books. And I hope to meet you soon. Okay, I wish you all the best. I wish you better health, love, joy, no, and more blessings. And I pray that the Lord will grant the desires of your heart. And syempre, gusto natin na maging healthier tayo as we age gracefully. O, ayan, Ethelene, again, happy birthday and happy low-carb baking. God bless and hope to see you soon.
Gusto kong bumati sa'yo. Birthday niyo daw po, Miss Ethelene Carpio Natividad. Hello po, Miss Ethelene Carpio Natividad. Sabi ng husband niyo, birthday niyo daw po ngayon. 40th birthday niyo na po. Wow. Happy birthday to you. Maraming salamat sa panonood ng mga videos ko. And I hope magkita-kita tayo very soon, no? Pag nakita niyo ako, huwag kayong mag-atubili na kalabitin ako. At kakalabitin niyo kita. Happy birthday po.
What's up, Ethelyn Carpio Natividad? I just wanted to wish you a huge happy birthday on this special day. I hope you have a blast with family and friends. There's RJ. We are currently here in Frankfurt and we're heading to Berlin right now. And I just wanted to say, may all your dreams come true. We love you. Your family loves you. And yeah, hope to meet you one day. Bye.
Happy birthday!